To fix the problem where your camera randomly opens in Xiaomi 17T, there may be few causes, so let's try to cover them all. Now let's open settings first. We'll be able to find all of the options causing that to happen right here. So we first gonna visit lock screen, and then we need to find the buttons. So go into launch, go into customize shortcuts, and then in the left or right shortcut, make sure that you don't have a photo or video mode. This should prevent your camera to randomly open. Another thing that may cause this, also we can find it in the lock screen. There's a launch camera right here, and you can turn it off. That way your camera won't open, and how it opens is if you double tap volume down button when your phone is locked, it will open camera. So we just want to make sure that it's off. And the last thing is in accessibility, gesture shortcuts, and here we have launch camera. Make sure that this option is also disabled. If you double press on the power button while your phone is locked, then it will also open the camera. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.